What's up guys, Raven here. Welcome back to another Jeep Wrangler Mavic mini adventure. Right now I'm at my base camp in the Sawtooth National Forest near Oakley, Idaho. I hear there's some cool tuff formations nearby. I got a Mavic mini. Let's go see what they look like.
Oh girl, I know what you do too. So let's stop playing and see this through. And see those eyes staring in mine. Let me take you on a date tonight.
We're overlooking Oakley Reservoir, which is known for its trout, perch, and walleye. Right now I'm driving on Trapper Creek Road, which is just south of Oakley Reservoir. The volcanic tuff formations are supposed to be around here somewhere. Hey, that looks like them. Let's see what's down that road. Wow. This is it, guys. Take a look at that. Man, never really seen anything like this. God dang. This is like it's straight out of a Lost in Space episode. So tuff is a type of rock made from volcanic ash. Alright, let's head out of here and see if we can find some more. Right now we're in south central Idaho near the Utah border. I'm over here in frickin' middle of nowhere in southern Idaho, but I'm really excited to see what these formations look like and from an aerial view. Let's take it off. There she goes! This tuff was made from the ash from the Buno-Jarbidge volcanic fields that erupted about 10 million years ago. Wow, this one's pretty cool. It almost looks like a castle just standing out here. Alright, I think I got enough shots. I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the Jeep.
I go crazy when you walk my way. So just stop right there and come make my day.
I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this adventure up. I think I got some pretty good shots, but right now I'm gonna head back to camp, pack things up, and hit the road. Okay guys, I got my camp all packed up and cleaned up. Man, I had a whole lot of fun in this adventure. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and like and share this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Be smart out there.
Just see you feel it too. I say you feel it too. You're the one.